remove the air box. That's the location of the thermostat. Next, you remove the outlet hose of the thermostat and be sure to set something below the car to catch the coolant that's running. You'll need a T20 Torx to pull 4 screws from the thermostat outlet pipe. So 4 screws, and mark them because you need to reuse the screws exactly where they came from. So mark them and color code them. I use a 8mm socket to remove the ground strap above the thermostat to get more clearance, because I had to push down the wire loom so that my tool could reach the bolts for the thermostat. So there are 4 8mm bolts that I removed to get rid of the throttle body. I needed more clearance, so that's why I removed the throttle body too, because that one last screw to the left of the thermostat housing, it was a problem. So that's why I removed the throttle body. So if you can do it without removing it, that's fine, but it was easier for me to remove the throttle body to get rid of the that one last screw. So now you gently remove the outlet pipe of the housing, and I had 2 screws still inside there, so I took my time because I didn't want the screws to fall inside the engine bay. Walk. So there you go, that's the outlet pipe, and this is the little thermostat right there in my hand. So this is what came out.